Hi, I'm JC. I'm a native English speaker and TFL certified English tutor based in Thailand. I help adults speak English more clearly for work, interviews, and real life conversations. Many learners understand English, but when they need to speak, they hesitate, translate in their head, or struggle to build clear sentences. In my lessons, you will speak first, then I help you correct mistakes, improve your pronunciation, use more natural phrases, and speak with more confidence. I also have more than 30 years of business and client facing experience, so I understand the pressure of communicating clearly and professionally. My teaching style is calm, practical, and correction focused. If you want to improve your spoken English for work, interviews, or everyday communication, book a try lesson and let's start step by step.